What's going on, folks, man? Welcome back to the outdoors. Welcome back to the set, man, where I am your boy, Money Match, and today we have a tech thing in today. Kind of necessity, either one, but yeah, today we taking a look at the Shark ChillPill, and I've seen a lot of videos online where people have been like using this in a controlled environment, so to speak. Really, they've been using it indoors, but today, man, we are going to see how well $150 cools you down when it's hot as H outside. Yeah, I know, I'd censor myself, but it's okay. So yeah, what we have here is the ChillPill, the only 3-in-1 chilling system or body cooling device. We have fan, we have a mist, and we have an instant chill system, which I think has a different use case for somebody like me. So here you go. We got 3 ways to cool or to chill. Yeah. So look at the battery life on this thing. Long lasting runtime is what it says, up to 11 hours at speed 1. I can tell you from using this prior to, speed 1 ain't gonna really do nothing for you. Up to 4.5 hours at speed 5. In Florida, level 10 is where you really need to be. Speed 10, and that's up to 1.5 hours, and that's based on the fan mode, just straight fan. So yeah, let's get into it. Don't really come with much in the box. They have accessories for this, but they sell them separately. So again, $150 on top of whatever else you're trying to get into, and this is what you get. You get the ChillPill. It's sleek, but is it really as good to use or to carry functionally? I don't think so, because you have to buy the lanyard that goes with it so you can wear it. It don't come with nothing in the box but a USB cable, a bag, and you got the other accessories. So here we have the mist device, right? So what you do is you pop this open, and there's your wick in there, and you fill this reservoir with water, and you turn it on and you get the mist, and it has intervals also. This is the showstopper right here, this chilling plate. And again, I think this has a different purpose or use case than what it's really used for, but we're gonna try it out and see. So right now, let's just go with the fan. There's your power on switch right there, and it rotates like this so you can have different angles if you want to lay it down, so on and so forth. But $150, they better do something. And here's your USB-C charging outlet, and it does have a gasket on here. I don't believe it's waterproof. It might be splash proof, but yeah, here you go. Let's turn this thing on. Just that. That's level 3, and you can see how noisy this is. Is it giving me wind? Yes, it is. Is it earth-shattering? Not so much. This is level 4, and I'm doing this outside. It is currently 86 degrees at 11:21 here on Cocoa Beach. I'm in my car right now because it's hot as shit outside, but I said I wasn't gonna do that. Shark, I'm sorry. So this is level 4, and you can hear the noise. I mean, is it cooling me off? Yes. This is level 5, which they say speed 5 will actually get you 4.5 hours of fan. I mean, it's cooling me off, but is it something that another cooling device can't do? Not necessarily, especially if you buy one of those ones with the fan and you squeeze the mist out of there, and it's probably about 20 bucks, 30 bucks on the high end. You see where I'm going with that, right? So this is level 7. You can hear the noise. It is noisy, as you can tell, but it is effective. It really wasn't a question of whether it's effective or not. It's a question more so of whether it's worth $150. This is level 10, and this sounds like you carrying around a mini jumbo jet. But is it cooling me off? Yeah, it's getting my body temp down for sure. Ooh, yeah, buddy. So it'll cool you off. But let's get to the other modes. Let's turn this off. All right, and easy to switch out. You just twist and remove. And that's the fan. So let's go with the chilling plate. They go here, pop it in, you turn it on. There's 2 levels to this. As you can see, the fan here, that's level 1. And you give it a few seconds to like really cool off. And sometimes you can see, depending on the humidity outside, when it cools off, you can see the condensation on the cooling plate. So this is the showstopper. But do I really use it for what it's intended for? Not necessarily, because on a hot day like this, you putting this on your hot skin, it kind of matches your body temperature real quick. But that's on level 1. So let's crank it up to level 2. And it's doing what it needs to do. See that? Condensation there. See, we got it going. Now level 2 is a monster, but I think this is better used as a migraine relief thing. And we'll get into that in another video, but for me as a migraine sufferer, this makes this worth $150. So does it do what it needs to do? Yeah, it'll cool you off. It'll get that body temperature down. So on a sweaty head, it kind of turns into a little mist. That's when you just wipe it off, keep it moving. So let's go on to the mist. All right, with the mist, I'm hit or miss on it, right? Well, miss. You see what I did there, right? No, but it's functional. But I think on a sweaty body, I mean, with the fan going at the same time, it really doesn't do anything for me. I'll just rather prefer to have a regular fan. This feature doesn't really, I mean, it cools you off, but I think for me, I would rather just go with the fan itself. To actually cool me off, because I'm wearing Meta glasses right now, and me spraying mist in my face is probably not a good idea for these glasses. But yeah, but this feature for me is meh. I mean, it gets the job done, but for me, it's not a go for me, not 100%. So my overall thoughts on this device, right? Is it worth $150? Maybe. For me, the $150 is well spent because I am a migraine sufferer, and that chilling plate lowers your body temperature up to 16 degrees. And when you have a migraine like that, and you put that chilling plate on your temples, your right above your eyes and your sinus region, it makes a world of difference. So for me, $150 well spent to have a device that'll last long, because we all know if you have ice packs, they tend to not last that long. This on just level 1 with that chilling plate indoors, 100% worth it for me. Now, the fan, you're gonna blow through that battery real quick, because I don't see it being effective unless you have it on speed 7 up to 10. And that's just with me using it real time out here in the environment. As you can see, as some of the B-roll here, that me and the wife took it to Disney. She loves this thing. So it's kind of one of those things where, you know, you love it or hate it. And my wife, she loves it. She wants one for her birthday, so we'll get her the blue one for her birthday. But for me, I only love it because of the chilling plate. So being worth $150, if you can catch it on sale, get it. But $150, I say pause and wait to see if you can get it on sale. But I don't know, that's just me. I am a lover of Shark products though. Between Shark and Ninja, they've outfitted the whole house. So with that being said, we're gonna end this video off with the review of the Shark ChillPill. Money well spent in the eyes of Money Mac here on the set. I'll see you folks in the next one. Peace.